Imagine watching a single road stretch across your screen, and in just seconds, a car from the 1950s smoothly transforms into a modern supercar, then into a futuristic electric beast. No camera, no garage, no real car, just pure artificial intelligence. Right now, these car evolution videos are absolutely exploding on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Some of these reels are getting millions of views, and the craziest part is this. Most of them are not made by professional editors, designers, or car companies. They're made by everyday creators using free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral car evolution videos are created using AI, even if you have zero design skills, zero editing experience, and no expensive software. If you stay until the end, you'll understand the full workflow from start to finish, and you'll be able to create your own viral car evolution videos that people can't stop watching. So let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside, look at the left side panel and click on GPTs. Then click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Car Evolution and open it. When you start the chat, you'll notice two main options available. One is highway scene prompts, and the other is car evolution prompts. We always begin with the highway scene because this sets the foundation for the entire video. When you click on highway scene prompts, ChatGPT gives you a list of different locations. These might include forest roads, desert highways, coastal roads, mountain passes, futuristic city highways, and many more cinematic environments. Choose any one location that fits your style. For example, a forest road creates a calm and cinematic vibe, while a desert highway gives a powerful and dramatic feel. Once you select a location, ChatGPT generates a detailed text-to-image prompt specifically designed for AI image generation. Carefully copy the very first prompt provided. This prompt is extremely important because it defines the road, lighting, camera angle, atmosphere, and realism of the scene. Now scroll down a little and you'll notice ChatGPT recommending an AI tool called OpenArt. This is where the magic begins. Click on OpenArt and open the image generation section. Inside OpenArt, click on the Image button. For the model selection, choose the Nano Banana model. This model is excellent at placing objects realistically inside a scene while maintaining consistent lighting and perspective. In the prompt text box, paste the highway scene prompt you copied from ChatGPT, then set the image size to 9:16 because this format is perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Set the resolution to 2K for sharp quality. For the number of images, you can choose anywhere from 1 to 4, but for now, selecting just one image is perfectly fine. Then click Create. Once the image is generated, you'll see a cinematic road scene that looks like it was captured by a professional drone camera. Download this image to your computer. This image will act as your base reference for the entire car evolution sequence. Now, upload this same image into OpenArt as an Omni reference. This ensures that every car you generate later stays perfectly aligned with the road, perspective, and camera angle. Next, go back to ChatGPT and type car evolution prompts, then hit generate. ChatGPT will now show you a list of different car categories you can choose from. These might include classic cars, muscle cars, luxury sedans, sports cars, supercars, electric vehicles, or futuristic concept cars. Choose any category you like. For example, you might choose classic to modern sports cars or a full electric evolution timeline. Once you select the category, ChatGPT generates multiple highly detailed text-to-image prompts, each representing a different stage in the car's evolution. At the very end, ChatGPT also provides a special video transition prompt. This is extremely important and should never be skipped. Now, copy the first car model prompt and go back to OpenArt, paste it into the prompt box and click Create. Because you're using the Omni reference and the Nano Banana model, you'll notice something incredible. The car is perfectly placed on the exact same road you selected earlier. It looks natural, realistic, and cinematic. Repeat this process for all the remaining prompts provided by ChatGPT. Each image represents the next stage in the car's evolution. Download all generated images to your computer and keep them in order. Once all images are ready, it's time to turn them into smooth cinematic videos. For this, open Google Flow. Click on Create. By default, text to video might be selected, but you need to change it to frames to video. At the bottom, you'll see two plus icons. One represents the first frame and the other represents the last frame. Upload the first car image into the first frame and the second car image into the last frame. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the transition prompt, return to Google Flow, paste the prompt into the text box, and click Create. In a few moments, Google Flow generates a smooth transformation video where one car evolves seamlessly into the next. Download this video to your computer. To continue the evolution, upload the second image into the first frame and the third image into the last frame. Paste the same transition prompt again and generate the next video. Download it. Repeat this process until all images have been converted into short transformation clips. Now it's time to combine everything into one final viral video. Open a free video editing software called Shotcut. Drag and drop all the video clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Once everything looks good, click on Export and render the video. After rendering is complete, play the final video and watch the full car evolution come to life. You now have a professional-looking, viral-ready car evolution video created entirely using free AI tools without filming a single second of real footage. These videos work incredibly well because they trigger curiosity, nostalgia, and satisfaction all at the same time. People love watching progress, transformation, and evolution, especially when it involves cars. If you want more views, post these videos as shorts or reels, keep them under 30 seconds, use trending background music, and add a simple caption like car evolution over time or classic to future. This is one of the easiest ways right now to grow a faceless channel and ride the AI content wave while it's still hot. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who loves AI and cars. More AI content creation tutorials are coming very soon, and you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.